Hi, myself Anjanelu. Now I'm going to explain lactose operon of an on mechanism. Lactose operon is also called as lac operon. Lac operon. What is this lac operon? Lac operon required for the transport and metabolism of lactose in E. coli and other bacteria. It is a major step for the transport and metabolism of lactose. Lactose operon, no? Lactose operon, okay. Next, what is this operon? Operon is a unit made up of linked genes, which is thought to regulate the other genes responsible for the protein synthesis. This operon will make the other genes to responsible for the protein synthesis. Lac operon is a single expressible unit of DNA that encodes three crucial proteins in lactose metabolism. Z, Y, A are the three crucial proteins in lactose metabolism. Now we will go into this. Here, for the metabolism of a lactose, it takes the off mechanism takes place in the absence of inducer lactose, and on mechanism takes place in the presence of inducer lactose. Absence of lactose, off mechanism. Presence of lactose, on mechanism. Okay, now let's go into this. P is nothing but the promoter gene. I is nothing but the regulator gene, and P is again the promoter gene, and O is the operator gene. Z, Y, A are the structural genes, and these, after the transcription and translation process, they will be forming the important enzymes. Now, RNA polymerase starts from here, and in I, that is the regulator gene, it undergoes transcription and forms repressor mRNA. The repressor mRNA undergoes translation and forms a repressor protein. This repressor protein, in the absence of lactose, it forms a bond with the operator gene and making the road to block for the forwarding of this RNA polymerase. In the absence of lactose, the repressor will be attached to the operator gene and it will stop the flow of RNA polymerase. Thus, ZYA are not transcribing into proteins. So, repressor, when it is bind to RNA, cannot move further, so this process stops here only. Now we will go to on mechanism. On mechanism occurs in the presence of the lactose, as we know. P, I, and after this, in the I, that is the regulator gene, it undergoes transcription and then forms a repressor, and here during the translation the lactose forms binds with the repressor, making the repressor inactive. When the repressor is inactive and it does not form bond with the operator, so here it will continue the process. RNA polymerase takes place and ZYA polymerases synthesizes mRNA. Transcription and translation takes place and mRNA is translated into Z is translated into beta galactosidase, and Y is transcribed into permease enzyme, and A is transcribed into transketolase enzyme. This is about the lac operon on and off mechanism. If you draw this diagram, you will get 4 out of 4 marks, and about the diagram you need to write 2 points. That's much more enough. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you want any new videos, you please comment me. Thank you.